amashomero agombekirwe gari mu Nyakabungo Primary School ya Kasana, Rwabuza Primary School ya Shuku, St Jude Primary School ya Masheruka, Karugorora Primary School ya Kasana, Kagazi Primary School Masheruka, Nshonji Primary School ya Kigarama na Nyakatoma Primary School ya Cyangenyi, kandi bizimbe byigwirweho mu butongore abibyo bushoborozi okurwa mu district ya Shema.
If you have performance, these parents will be convinced to bring people here. But if they see buildings are poor, performance is poor, everything is poor, they will just desert the school.
Abamwe twashanga tutombeshe kitireho nanka bagete terazo bakuza futa amubagera ki ukito basiga hehe icyo tshime headmistress wandisa icyo tshime kwanchikorwa abo kubana ne kuba yatera umuntu twakuba yine bigere byonke mutera
azibona b'amashomero na munonga nisima government ahabo kureba ngo eyombekire ebizimbe bingi omuri Shema district erizo twasiba commissioning no muri gihe cyo nintwara umuranga nitero umuranga ba stakeholders ba head teachers abashomesa nabana okubireberera munonga
yo St Jude Primary School ya Masheruka Town Council bashangira beji barukushomera hansi y'umuti bwanyuma y'ebibina byabo okugwa.
More things will come because for us we have just started. Well, Chairman Yagamba is the one who plans for those things to come here. But for you as people of this school, what are you doing apart from going to the media and putting the buildings? And then we watch them on the news.
Government ya Shema, yabuko government ya Shema, abo kutekatekaho ekatuhereza ecombeko cy'ikigo kibatombekire. Kandi kintu kutekateka ngo nikija kutugasara umiringo myingi na munonga ombweremwa obube bukwatire nabwo buyonjo ahishomero. Nimba simantine bugarikiro kandi no guno mugisha gakagware bukaho muve mutumanya ngutsiriyo ahabo kwatombeki batumwombekire abishiki kuko mwakireba kandi kine yabojo
ogumwa tutebekanisize nk'ishomero rya government rya Nyakatoma Primary School okutereze kizimbe kirunje munongeki nani nshaba ngo batakwise mpapara mu kwase tubatero mu ngabo zamani ukore ko kusima kwitu kandi tubashaba no gundu murundi okugumiza mu muthagire mu kwasizisho mereri ahabo kube birunje byona bitubugoma butwe na hamwe.
Bakuru b'amashomero n'abanyabukiko basimire government okubatekatekaho konka bashabiro buyambo bundi ahabwo kuba amashomero gashirwe mu mberambi
zimbe ebiryamurembe abo kuba norebe biruho byona bikuzire nubukuzo munda byona bitimbukire mbwenu kandi abazire tubine manu go kugira ngo bine sente zo kubasa kutekaho structures bonere.
Omugandi abakozi ba government omu district ya Ryantonde barabwirwa kushikiriza emirimo eyabaresere ngo kandi aba batarukwenda kugendera hamateka nibija kukorwaho batwarwe no mu nkomo okuraburo kubira ha mukoro go kushomesa abakozi abasya kureba kuba kubasa kushuganisa obuhereza ahabwe entunguka yihanga.
Twabagambira aha kinte cyo kubaha imirimo yabo ahabo kuba abantu nubeyija okutunga services then bitunga bashanga abantu abo barwa bakoze bite cyo tukibagambire kandi twaboreka n'iki twakubasa kubakora baba batarahamirimo yabo tubagambire aha cya teamwork ahabo kuba n'inshonga nkuru munonga abantu baba bakora bari mu institution bari bengi teamwork n'ikindi kikuru munonga
tuguganyidwa mu cyamani tuize emitendera gyonna gye tuyitamu okuingira mu public service ebintu byoyina okufuna probation ngeyo boba omuntu byoyagala okutuuka kusinga ofunamu obuzibu engeri emitendera gyonna gyoyitamu oba osooka wa human resource noyita wa supervisor wo then tudakawo n'omuyitiramu.
Abakozi abarukweshombo muri Ghana abaruma b'ebyobwegese ebyamagara obuhingi n'oburiisa ebyamasharura n'ebindi bahirwa habuzo bwo mutano omushomogu
abantu bari Yantonde na munonga community bashemeye kumanya ngo ubwo mushomo yes gwaguriyo gwabakozi ngo tutekateka ngo by'abakozi barayege nebuza kwijoko mu marwaro mu mashomero na munonge ezo department civil
abakozi abapaya bakayinira mu service yari Yantonde local government bachigirize ebintu bingi engeri je tweyisamu nga tuli ku mirimo gyaffe engeri je tweyisamu maso g'aba boss baffe
change musomo guno ngize engeri
by'okukwatamu abayizi b'engendo beera nga nsomesa.
Gasha kwa Mike Twachire na Sande K. William